Hello guys, welcome to my channel ET Tech Bangla. So today in this video I'll talk about misleading metadata. So how to fix misleading metadata? What is misleading metadata and how to fix? Misleading metadata is using too many keywords on your content such as video description, text or title. So how to fix? Okay, let's get started. I'll show how to fix. Okay, now I open one video, then title, how to create Facebook business cover photo, Facebook cover ছবি তৈরি করুন, how to use Canva Pro. So don't use three words on your video or description. So I remove. Okay, then show more and text it how to create Facebook cover photo, how to create, then it is a delete. Just okay, no title, no description and no tag. Okay, the same. Okay, then second video, same edit, and then second video, how to create Facebook account তৈরি করুন. Okay, this is, so no, don't use. Okay, then don't use tag. Save. Okay, so all video check and save only title, then no only three words. Okay, then monetization, then reapply, then you wait for a few days, then solve your problem. Okay, thanks for watching.